What's up, guys? In today's video, me and the boys are gonna build this Yozma IN-10. It is about $1,200–1,300 depending on what kind of specials you can get. It has 2,600 watts of power, fully electric. So we just got it. I cut it open and we're now gonna assemble it and take it for some test drives. Let's start by unboxing it. So it's packaged really well. It has a lot of this nice foam for insulation. Here we got a fender. We'll unbox that later. A lot of plastic. One. Behind the rear tire, there's even more plastic. And we have a box with a charger attached to the rear sprocket. So let's get a knife. I have one in my pocket here. I got one. Get that out of there, and then we'll lift the whole bike out. Go. All right. Why don't we? Can you take the tire out, Charlie? Right there. Yep. See if you can pull that out, or do I need to cut something? There we got the charger.
Yeah, it's stuck to the bike.
All right. Once you get the hood in, you swap a 5-seater, Charlie. All right. It looks like it's maybe attached on the bottom as well. So why don't I do this? I'll lift the whole bike. You guys remove the box, okay?
Okay.
Double.
It's a little
Keep pulling. Pull, pull, pull. Get the box.
out of the way.
There we go. All right. So we clearly need a box to build it on. So here was the one extra, that one we need to cut. So let's see. I'm gonna cut this one away. Then we'll get the whole unit on a box. And we'll put together a time lapse and do an assembly. Looks like it's gonna be pretty straightforward. Where should we put a trash pile? Okay.
In here.
In there, okay. So here is the front. This is just rubber to prevent the tire from rubbing against the frame. What else you got over there? That's more just rubber. All right. What is that, Charlotte? William, what do you have there?
Remember some stickers and stuff like
All right. Okay.
Oh.
See if you guys can find instructions. One bolt. Okay, that's no nut.
that.
Oh, here's a nut. Okay. There's a challenge. We'll check that out later. So we got, let me have that. It came with one nut, a washer, and a bolt. Toolkit, perfect. No problem with power tools to assemble it. Bring it over. That's keys. Put it all right here so we can see what we got. Bag with screws. Just don't put on the window. And nu har du på färdig sida, Charlie. Som har på den sidan. Look at those here. Here is the gear that we did. What? Here we got what holds down the front for steering. I don't know if this is anything. Alright. Okay. Let's go ahead. Yep. Let's go ahead and get rid of all the trash and put it in there. Just trash you see on the ground. Ja, that's again. Försiktigt med det. Nej, jag trycker skrapet. Och varför slår snart av den sen? Anyone found instructions?
No. You might have to scan something.
Yeah, I'll see if I can scan that and get something. So far, no instructions, but it doesn't seem that complicated. Alright, I'm gonna get a box that we can put it on. What's that? Yeah, we need a box. We can put that on top of the box. Alright. Alright. Now.
A fancy way.
Good. See that? Where is? There we go. All right.
Yeah,
Yep, that's on cool.
Look at this strap.
All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this on top here. Huh? Hold on. Thank you. That washes me. All right. Let's lift it up. Put it on there.
Wait, how does the suspension?
Aye, not get touched. All right. So the rear is not attached. That's what that one bolt is for. Yeah. Now we just got to get rid of all the rest of the plastic. Give a view of it. Down there, 0 miles. Different amount of power. It started on 0. All right, Charlie. So tell me your first impression after your first ride.
How fast it goes.
Yeah? Is it pretty good?
Mhm.
Which setting have you tried so far over here?
So I've tried 1, 2. I've not tried 3.
Okay. And tomorrow, I guess when the sun is out, we'll try it a little bit more, and then we'll rate it again, okay?
Yeah, I think 3 is like on the quad.
Yeah? It's going to be
like
real
1,
powerful.
2, 3.
Yeah. Charlie, you've driven it for a couple of weeks now. What do you think? Do you recommend it?
Mhm.
So good? Do you think you're the maximum height for this one, or can you be bigger and drive this one?
Bigger.
Bigger? Yeah, I've seen some videos of big boys riding it too. So anyway, it's been a really good bike. It was pretty easy to assemble. Maybe we were just missing the instructions, but it was pretty intuitive. So yeah, check it out.